In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front sway bar link on a Honda CR-V, which is located behind the front wheel. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you have 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm lug nuts. You need to remove those. Take your wheel off, put it off to the side. Your sway bar link is just on the right side. It connects here at the strut, and it also connects here to your sway bar. These are 18mm bolts with a 5mm Allen. If you put your wrench over the nut, take an Allen, hold the center, you can loosen your nut. That's your nut. You can slide it out of its holder. The alternative to use an Allen here is you can use a pair of pliers and lock down here on the back side, but you don't want to rip your boot. So try your Allen first. Same thing with the bottom, 18mm bolt with a 5mm Allen. It is pretty tight in this area, so if you want to pull up on your sway bar, you can put a pry bar in here, lift up a little bit, put your Allen on, and then continue on loosening your 18mm nut. Take your nut off, slide it out of the holder, and there's your sway bar link. Take your new sway bar link, put it through your sway bar, put your nut on, install your sway bar into your strut. You can remove your pry bar, so you can push the sway bar link down. Install the nut. Put your wrench on your lower sway bar link. Then we're going to do the same to the top. Put your wrench on there first. Hold it with the Allen. Both of these nuts get torqued down to 58 foot-pounds. Now install your wheel, take it for a road test, make sure there's no funny noises, and you're good to go. Take your wheel, slide it over your lug nut studs. Install your lug nuts by hand. Give those a snug. After you lowered your vehicle and your tire is on the ground, you want to torque these lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds. You want to do that in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.